Daisy goes camping. One summer afternoon, Daisy set off to go camping in the country. All her friends went with her. They found the perfect place to make a camp. It's hard work pitching a tent. That's good, Eddie. Well done, Tallulah. You can tell I'm outside, can't you? And I actually hear an aeroplane. Oh dear, the tent fell down. They tried and tried. And tried again. Until at last, the tent stayed up. What a big tent. There's room for everyone. After supper, they sang songs all around the campfire. Then it was time for bed. First it was Cyril with his torch. Nice pajamas, Cyril. One in the tent. Next came Charlie. Mind the tent pegs, Charlie. Two in the tent. Then it was Tallulah's turn. Sweet dreams, Tallulah. Three in the tent. And make room for Maisy. Move over, everyone. Move up. Four in the tent. Is there room for one more? Come on, Eddie. His jammies. Oh dear. Five in the... Oh, what a squash. Five in the... Oh, what a squeeze. Five in the... What a squishy, squashy, squeezy... Oh. Five in the tent. Good night, campers. Pop. Out popped Cyril. Pop. Out popped Tallulah. Pop. Out popped Charlie. Oh, pop. Out popped Maisy. Only one in the tent. Sleep tight, campers. One in a tent. Four under the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good night.